Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss and see how we can visualize our decision tree algorithm with the help of sklearn and matplotlib. Let's get started. So here I have imported some of the important libraries that we are going to use in order to visualize our classifier, which is decision tree. Okay. So we have pandas from tree. I've imported decision tree classifier as our algorithm. Then in order to split our data, I've imported train test split. Then from sklearn, I've imported tree, and also for visualization, we are importing matplotlib. So let us run this line of code. So here the data is about diabetes. Okay. So with the help of pandas, I'm loading this data. So the data contains pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, age, BMI, etc. The outcome is in the form of zeros and ones. So based on these features, we have to predict whether a person will have a diabetes or not. Okay. So I have separated my independent and dependent features. So as it is a supervised learning, so the dependent features will be outcome. Let us run this line of code. From model selection, I've imported train test split in order to create our x train, x test, y train and y test value in order to evaluate our model. So here we have test size as 20% and random state as 42. Okay. So from decision tree classifier, I've passed the parameter of random state as 6 and maximum depth as 4. So we will see this parameter maximum depth in some time. Okay. So using this instance, I have fitted my training data to this algorithm, which is decision tree classifier. Let us run this line of code. Okay. So from this data frame, you can extract all the columns name using dot columns attribute. We'll get a list of all the columns. So in order to visualize our decision tree algorithm, we have used matplotlib, and this contains a method called figures. Okay. So it is nothing but we are setting a size of image as 25 into 20. From sklearn we have imported tree. In that we have a method plot tree. So this classifier that you have made out of your decision tree classifier, that you have to pass over here as your first parameter. Then features name is nothing but you have to pass your columns name. Okay. And filled is equal to true is nothing but you can fill your diagram with any color. Okay, let us run this line of code. So here you can see we have created our decision tree algorithm. Okay, it has a depth of 1 2 3 4. So this we can control from here. So I want to put maximum depth as 3. So let us run. So here you can see the depth we have 3. So it will give you all the entropy, Gini, information gain value. So based on entropy, Gini and information gain, the splitting will happen accordingly. So if you have not watched my previous video on decision tree mathematics, you can watch. Okay. So filled is equal to true is nothing but it will fill the color in this block. So this was it from my side in this video. As we have seen, we have plotted our decision tree algorithm with the help of 2 lines of code. Okay. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.